Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today, I have a quick beauty product review for you. We're going to be talking about a product from Innisfree. So actually, I don't know how to pronounce this. Is it Bija Cica Mist? I'm not sure. If anybody knows the correct pronunciation, please let me know in the comments below. So this is a face mist. I bought it, I think a few weeks back. I do have a video on the shopping haul that I did for this over on my other channel. It's called Life With Miu, so if you're interested, go check that out over there. But today we're going to be talking about a review on this product. Let's put some on right now. Actually, I'll take my glasses off. Alright, so it is pretty refreshing, as all mists tend to usually be. Well, it does have a slight fragrant smell, nothing overpowering, so it's actually even gone right now. I don't even smell anything right now. So if you are sensitive to smells like I am, you'll be okay with this one. Let's talk about the packaging. So I threw the box away, but it came in a regular box, nothing special about it. It has a cap and a pump. So as you just saw, it's just literally a spray on your face, so nothing crazy about it. Pretty simple and easy to use. Now let's talk about the effectiveness of it. So as I mentioned, it is pretty refreshing when you first use it. However, I feel like it leaves a sticky residue, okay? So I can feel it now, like just a tiny bit. It's not crazy sticky, but I actually don't really like that feeling. You know, I want the initial sensation to be fresh and I want my face to remain fresh, not to start feeling like there's some product on it. That's what it feels like. So in terms of effectiveness, I would say it's not that effective. I don't have that refreshing feeling that, you know, stays. Now let's talk about the price. We're talking about 20-something Canadian, but like all Innisfree products, it is not exceptionally expensive. Well, my thoughts on this product, would I buy it again? Probably not, and it's because of the stickiness that I feel after I use it. I would prefer to have something that keeps that refreshing feeling for me. So I probably won't buy this again. I'll probably try something else when it runs out. I would just want to give it a rating. So I'm gonna have ratings set on a heart scale. So full rating is 4 hearts. I'm gonna rank it on 4 categories: the packaging, the fragrance, and the effectiveness. So I mean, if everything is okay, like I'm not having a horrible time trying to use the product, you know, it doesn't break me out, it doesn't smell overpowering, then, you know, I'll rate it on those factors. Well, out of 4 hearts, I would give it a 3 out of 4. Well, the reason is because I deducted 1 point for the effectiveness. So I mean, fragrance, there isn't much, you know, irritating fragrance, so that's fine. The pricing and the packaging is pretty reasonable as well, and it's fine. So I gave the heart for those categories, but in terms of effectiveness, I mean, that's kind of important, right? So I deducted that point from this product, so I would give it a 3 out of 4. Again, keep in mind that everyone's skin is different, right? So, I mean, if it doesn't work for me, it might work for you. You might not have that experience, or you might not mind that feeling of stickiness. So by all means, if you think this is the product for you, give it a try. Let me know your thoughts about it. And that's all I have for you today. This is the Innisfree Face Mist. I will put the links below on where you can get this product. If you did like the video, please make sure to give me a thumbs up, as it really helps my channel. Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.